Mpuga Jumapuga.
Atali muyivo muteketeke mukone mungalezo wekitibwa musajja mugezi ekirala musajja mukozi ekirala mwegendereza mukono kutako kasibalimba tali amayirungi yadamyaga tali wabisi yagono muteketeke onaga tujja nnimi muwulira. Thank you. Omodingidi. Colleagues, members of parliament, colleagues and principals of the DA, and all of you, our distinguished national coordinators that have been presented here by Comrade Michael Mabike. DA! Can I hear you? DA! New way. DA! New way. New way. New way. New day. Thank you. It's indeed a new day, and we are assembled here to announce a new way. I would like, first of all, to welcome all of you assembled this afternoon. Majority of you from up country did arrive here very early in the morning, and your long journeys were purposeful. You did not travel all the way from Gulu, from Teso, from Tolo, from the Renzori on a tour of Kampala. It was intentional, it was purposeful that you made the sacrifice to gather here this morning and still seated this afternoon. I want to thank you most sincerely. This Friday falls after a national debacle that we witnessed in Kawempe yesterday, or probably for 2 weeks. And I would like to take this opportunity to, in a special way, congratulate my brother and learned friend, the Honorable Nalukola, for coming on top of that debacle. I can't call it an election, but he surmounted a debacle that mirrored an election, or tried to resemble an election. So, Comrade Nalukola and the National Unity Platform, congratulations. I very much understand and appreciate that yourself and your peers had to suffer the indignity of going through that debacle to be announced winner. The question of the day is that what we bargained for as a people? Was that our bargain as a nation at independence and after? Was that the dream and aspiration of our forebearers? That if we're looking for leaders, we must go through a humiliation never witnessed in the history of man for the sake of becoming leaders in this country. I would like to use the same opportunity to send my sympathies to the Fourth Estate, to a number of journalists and independent media practitioners that were clobbered and humiliated for 2 weeks because they wanted to bring the truth to the world. I am sending these sympathies to the media, not because the non-media practitioners must be beaten and humiliated, but because the media is the mirror of society. So what the media does, we see and witness ourselves. The media communicates our frustrations, our aspirations, our dreams, and we're able to compare and contrast our situations. So whereas I say that, no human being should be humiliated because they are trying to make a choice. No one should ever be humiliated. bannamawulire tubasaasidde nnyo kubanga mwendabirwamu yaffe naye tekitegeeza nti abatali bamawulire bo bakubibwe. Ensi yaffe abagiteekawo emyaka 62 tebalootako nti nga tulonda amagezi gaffe n'obusiru bwaffe bujja kweyoleka. The by-election in Kawempe brought out the worst of us. The by-election brought to the fore how much we have gone down the sewer in the practice of our politics. Ebyabadde Kawempe bitwolekanga ensi y'abagwagwa abateefumiitiriza abatayiga abateebuulirira. How could we as a people, how can a by-election for a member of parliament that's going to last barely 7 months expose our deep-seated idiosyncrasies, expose our deep-seated hatred for one another, expose our deep divisions as the opposition, as a nation, as a people? That should never happen.
Opposition are divided.
But for every dark cloud, there is a silver lining. We must pick eternal lessons from the Kawempe debacle. I hesitate to call it an election because it does not in any way portray an election. It was a bad exposure of how divisive, how inconsequential politics can become. And I hope we're able to pick eternal lessons. That we can crowbar each other, that we can tear gas each other, that we can humiliate our people, that we can humiliate family people. Omusajja omukulu Semaka n'omukwata n'omwambula n'omuyuliza engoye kubanga oyagala kalulu. Eyo ensi eba tevanga mu Stone Age. Tuba tukyali mu nsi yakulya mirandira na bikoola. Kyewunyisa. Abantu bagenda dda ku mwezi, abalala bali ku maazi banoonyayo biriyo. Ffe tukyalwana kubanga tunoonya bakulembeze. Nti okwefunamu omukulembeze tulina okuba tutemyeko omutwe olwo omukulembeze azuuke. Eyo nsi y'abagwagwa. We stand here this afternoon not because we are great friends, not because we know each other so well. We are here this afternoon and we'll be standing all manner of adversity to be here because we share a common history, because we have same aspirations, because we have shared dreams, but also we share a destiny. Tetukunganye kubanga tuli ba mukwano nnyo. Tukunganye kubanga ebyafaayo byaffe byebimu. Kubanga tulina ebirooto byebimu. Ne tufaanana n'ebyafaayo y'ensonga lwaki tuli wano. I only got to know my brother from Teso probably about 2-3 years ago. But since then, we have been able to establish a special commonality. A special commonality of aspirations, a special bond to drive this nation to new heights, a special conviction that all has gone wrong and therefore we must work to change the course of this country. All of us here, representing people that left home, have suffered the brunt of misrule. Buli muntu alozezza kuba n'akyemalira. Buli muntu mu ngeri emu akoseddwa. Ab'Eluweero batunula ku buwanga. Emyaka 4 balengera nfuufu na buwanga bye baakungula. Nali nambula ekiboga eyo ne baŋŋamba ssebo mwogera ku myaka 4 ffe bawezezaawo 43 kubanga bajjawo dda ne bateekawo ne zi RC. Everybody has tested the fact that we have never had a liberation. The liberation was a very fat lie, big fat lie. It was a big lie. Therefore, after 62 years of our independence, the dreams, the aspirations of building a free and fair society, a progressive nation, we are shortchanged. The saliwo munkaga mwebiri nze Kiwanuka yaliwo era akubuulira nti balina ebirooto okuzimba eggwanga erimu obwenkanya, balina ebirooto okuzimbira abaana n'abazzukulu eggwanga erikuze, eggwanga eddamu era abaana n'abazzukulu naye babaguza kapa mu kutya. Our forebearers were shortchanged. The dreams at independence were shortchanged. Bw'otegeera nti kitaawo jjajjawo baamulimba ate gwe omuzzukulu totambulira mu ki bulimba. Ffe bannamateeka tumanyi n'okumanya nti singa oli akozesa endagaano n'okizuula nti yali yakugulika, osobola okugenda mu kkooti neweekubira enduulu nti ono yannimba naye kisi yali akola ki kibayita misrepresentation. The dreams of our independence were misrepresented by the leaders, by the so many subsequent leaders after independence. Abazze batufuga butatuna obwetwaze batuguza kapa mu kutya. It's the duty of this generation to say, yes, we acknowledge the lies, we acknowledge the shortchange, we acknowledge the duty. It's now our time to change the tide. It's our time to rethink the model of this country. Lenyimyamu n'omusajja omukulu omu n'aŋŋamba nti ebiseera bino bye tulimu oyinza okugamba nti tuli wakati wa nkaaga mu gumu nkaaga mu ebiri nga tufuna obwetwaze. We are at crossroads. We are at a time where one old man is hanging on but is not in control. Ebimu naye abeera abikola ki bitambula. I am sure there's a lot around him he cannot take charge of. We must work for a second independence. And that's why we are here. We must work for a second liberation. Above Emoshi, I was only a little boy. Ngabagoba Obote. Ngabagoba Amin. Never gama nti yali liberation kwali kwenunula. Abenunula ng'Amin agobeddwa. Never gaba balise demokrasia. Never kolamu ebyabwe. Eyo yali kapa mu kutya. Wakaluka ekinana n'ebyakavaamu. We are still paying the price of stolen elections, but we are still stealing elections. Omuwendo omunene ogw'obulwa obubbe gwe tusasulidde mu kyatufuna obwetwaze nakasituyiganga akusika muliro kakubeera bantu bagezi. There's something wrong with our DNA. This generation must correct. That we are not able to hold a simple exercise called an election. And we pride in what we saw and what we have seen. I have actively participated in the last 7 electoral cycles. Ngangoberera, ngandaba. There's something amiss. And today we assemble to not only announce coordinators, but also to remind ourselves of a cardinal duty as citizens, as leaders, of what's going to take for us to build an enduring democracy and an enduring constitutional order. Ekiwandiiko kya 95 kye twayita ssemateeka kyali kiwandiiko kya General Museveni. General Museveni yagamba bakitaffe nti ye munnamagye mulwanyi tagenda kuwangaalawo ajja kubeerawo emyaka ng'ena noza ziro tebajuuli ali ategeezaana. Yagamba myaka awo ng'ena nze ndi mulwanyi ebyo sibiriimu emyaka ena noza ziro teyagisaako. It's now 40 years. So we must work to undo that kind of misrepresentation. Ono yaba asembayo tukuza kapa mukutia. General Museveni should be the last dictator to preside over this nation and to abuse our generosity as a people and to abuse our sacrifice as a nation, but also to sleep and stall the aspirations of our people and the dreams of this generation. Before us and ahead of us is a duty of unseen unity that we desire as people who want change. But the question is, must we unite only around elections? That's the big question. Should our unity only come at elections? Twetaaga kwegatta kugenda mu kalulu, okwegatta okugenda okujja omufu mu kinnya, n'okwegatta okutaasa omuntu okugwa mu kinnya kiriwo ekisinga. That we must unite to pull a dead body out of, a depression instead of stopping a death. I think we are handling the wrong side of the knife. Akaso tukakwata ku bwogi, so si ku kiti oba ku mukonda gwako oba gyekiri nekyo. The DA as a big tent. The DA is a big tent. The DA is not a party. That's why in this big tent, you have different political persuasions, but only convinced with the only common goal of working together as a people to draw the entirety of the nation into one direction, to demand that particular things be done. Sagala muntu kwewanganya mu buyinza nga si mulonde. Si twagala. Nesu twagala genda mu kalulunga abatawunyiriza, abatalaba. Ne muzibe sense zenda azikola ki? Zikola kyova osanga omuzibe nga atambula nga akutta akati n'atagwa mu kinnya. If a blind man can walk with a stick and avoid falling in a pit, Katonda bwe yawa amaaso abiri, ennyindo nga zissa, amatu nga gawulira, n'obwongo nga si butooleko, olema otya okutegeera nti waliwo ekizibu eky'amaanyi tonnaba kusimbula kigere. The opposition desiring change must think deeply that our unity should not only be around elections, but also around processes that lead to elections. Muyiza akumma n'akola ki? N'akunyumiza eng'ombe. The process that lead to these elections are as important as the elections themselves. The lessons from Kawempe and other places where we've had by-elections should have been strong enough to remind us how we are stuck. Part of the duty you coordinators have from today onwards is to go and rally the nation into demanding for minimum reforms. It's not late. No one should deceive you that's late to go for reforms. I have heard strangely some leaders from the opposition claiming that the quest for reforms is late. Namely, that General Museveni and his parliament will not accept them. And then there is a question that how will a Museveni who doesn't want reforms then declare you as a winner? Museveni tukimanyi taagala nkyukakyuka mu mateeka kubanga agala ogamukolera. Galate opposition omwoyewungako ddi n'ogamba nti tebisoboka. Ate n'ogamba najja kukulangirira ng'owangudde. Aba anaakulangirira atya? Okuggyako nga watoolwako. Oyinza otya okuyingira ekibira ky'owuliramu empologoma ng'ekola ki? Ng'ewuuna. Gwe n'ogamba nti eyo mpuuna malungu si mpologoma. Nga ne woyisa olabawo amagumba. So we need to be alive to the realities. Dr. Abed kyayogeddeko. Tomanyi we tuli, ate otugamba tumanyi gye tulaga, tokubanga oliko ekikyamu. So gye mugenda yonna, wherever you're going as our coordinators across the country, is to go and amplify the voice for reforms. The voice for reforms and the transition. Let me say this. When you talk about reforms and the transition, some people believe that reform and transition are all about changing laws. Particular actions, particular outputs are not necessarily legislations. Some are commitments. Ngojeke ensi abagwagwa abantu abatakanya basobola okutula wansi nebaako byebakkiriza kino kikkirizibwa kino tekikkirizibwa naye ebyokubeerawo mulina okuteekawo embeera ey'enjawulo. Tolangira bulangirizi tugenda kwetaba mu kalulu. You must put up a fight to make sure that certain things change. Tesogerwako. You must put pressure on the system. Opposition etutta amaanyi mangi nnyo ekawempe and esawo impact. That's beautiful. Watya amaanyi ge gamu enjanga tuli soloti ne tugenda ebundi bujjo ne tugenda ettolo nga tugamba eggwanga lyonna no reforms no elections ne tuzima momentum y'eggwanga.
Kiriza Kyagulanyi maanyi amwetaaga
etulowooza twagala nnyo akalulu kabeerewo era twagala nnyo okkeetabamu situwagala akalulu kabeerewo ng'omukolo obukolo. We want to participate in a consequential election. Akalulu akanaavaamu ebintu ebitaggulula ebigere byaffe ng'eggwanga oba we tuli ne tugenda ku siteepu ekola ki. That is our essence. If we summon the same energy, if we summon the same capacity, the same unity that was exhibited in the by-elections behind us, and used it to raise the momentum of the nation, to call upon everyone to say we must undertake minimum reforms before the next election, I can tell you General Museveni and his people have no capacity stopping that. My Museveni bw'omugamba nti tujja mu kalulu nga naye agolwa essuuti ye ey'okulayira kubanga omubabi muzimuwerekera buki. We don't want to be escorts at Museveni's swearing ceremony. That's never our aspiration. Twagala kumuwerekera ku mukolo gwe gwa kulayira. Nakino kanti bagambe tetutya kuwangulibwa naye situkkiriza kujoogebwa ng'otuyita mu kalulu gy'otujoogereyo ng'olayire. No. If we lost in a free and fair process, we would say we lost. Probably we are not organized. Probably we are not well resourced. So, ngabe munda bana abakulu bano tutambule butambu tuwerekere Mwami Museveni alayire without challenging his actions. Tukolime bukolimi. Tumukolimire, tuyite emizimu, tusiyite ebigere. Is that our duty? It's not late. We still have time. We can make the push. So we are here to empower you, wherever you're coming from, to go and summon your best. Go and summon your energies. Go and summon your capacity. I'm very sure our people do not want violent elections. I am very convinced, and so is everyone here, that our people want to participate in a safe electoral process. Safety of our people, safety of the media, safety of citizens at election is what we aspire. No. Because an election has a lot of consequences to the people. It must be a proper election. It must be properly organized. It must be properly structured. Kakati basibu ne banyemu. Waliwo abagamba tulete reforms nga Mwami Museveni aweddemu amaanyi. Litmus paper y'amaanyi ge ani agikebera kagirina. Nikakumawa. Museveni is not simply an individual. We are dealing with the Museveni and the Musevenism. Do you understand? So how do you overcome Museveni and then subsequently the Musevenism? Museveni nenno yemutambulirako ey'effujjo effugabbi obutafaayo ne bwakera enkya n'avaawo nga Musevenism esimbye emirandira ng'egy'omulondo. You have the same problems. That's my invitation to all and sundry, that we must use this opportunity. I want to assure you, we still have time to demand for these reforms, such that we take our people in a dignified electoral exercise, not in a debacle. Kugenda kuswaza na kuchobola abantu baffe. So kubanga bagenze kuwandiisa noddayo wakanga naye kumpaita kuli mapesa mwera kunyonyola abaana ate badde ngenze kwewandiisa mara okubuuza badde ogenze kwewandiisa kukola ki kufuna ki. Are we serious? So we need to try the country as DA to reject, isolate persons and institutions and the groups that are working very hard to turn this country into a basket, into a pariah state. Now abayamba kumukumanya nembutamanya osobola okuyamba Museveni okudda muyinza nga totegedde nti omuyamba. And all those working to undermine unity must be isolated and ignored. Obanga emyaka 4 ejaba Museveni ebadde ensobi eyo tuyinza okugamba nti ekomye kati. If the 40-year rule was such a big error, that mistake can be stopped. But we cannot stop it without purposeful unity, without structured unity, without intentional unity. That's not the DA intention. We are willing to work as DA with every group of the opposition that understands our journey. Tujakona buli muntu yenna ategera olugendo luno nti lwabwe egendeza nakuwuliziganya. Njala kiddamu tetutambulanga ab'omukwano tuli ba mukwano nnyo. Tutambula ffenna kubanga twagala Uganda nnyo okusinga omukwano. That's the agenda we want to drive at the DA. Ganfunza tubulayo emyezi nga 6 okugenda ku nominations ezinaddako ez'abavubuka zo tikyaweza myezi 6 myezi nga 3. Waliwo ebibuuzo bingi nnyo naddala bye beebuuza. Ekisooka tubazizaamu tutya amaanyi bagende mu kalulu n'obumalirivu nga kalina ekigendererwa ekikyusa eggwanga. Tubakakasa tutya ng'abo abakulembera tetubatwala mu kalulu kukubibwanga nte nga tutandika busobozi buyimiriza abo bakuba emiggo ng'ente. Waliwo abalowooza mu opposition lwe tubeera awamu bo bajja kufuuka batono. Ekyo nakyo kizibu. We must address that. There are questions that must be answered by opposition leaders in every group. There are those who want unity but around themselves. There are those who fear unity because unity will make them small. They are diffident. They are not confident enough to stand in internal competition. The question is, what are we competing for? Tuli mu kuvuganyiza mu kkomera babuuze ona mukasiba nti gwe manyi gwe basoma okusiba emirundi emingi babayita mutya akulira abakulira mu kkomera RP mu myezi nga 6 nga tuli mu parliament ona bakasibande bamusibako nduze emirundi 4 mu myezi 6. So ebyo abitegeera bulungi katulwanira kwera bakulembeze mu kkomera. In the DA we believe in the big tent. Opposition buli awulira nti alina obusobozi tubeere wamu twogerere eggwanga litutegeere tulondeko omuntu omakulemberemu oluki. Tetugamba asinga buwanvu, tetugamba asinga bukulu, tetugamba asinga bunene. Tugamba oyo anategeera obugazi bw'olutabaalo luno nga lulina ebigendererwa. That's our intention, that's our purpose. How do we go back to our people in Teso that have been impoverished deliberately? How do you go to Nyoro, the oil land, at the same time a poverty land? When you talk about ina mafuta, ate nga gwe wasinga obwavu. Olwo bannanga bava ekasanda za buli kkubo ligenda mu kirombe kya zaabu n'ebyo zonna mpompogoma. Eyo nsi yabaki? So how do we resurrect and rekindle the dreams of our young people? Tuli nsi emu ku nsi ezisinga abavubuka abangi. What is our message to the young people that will give them assurance that tomorrow is going to be better? Tekimala kubatwala butwazi ku lutabaalo. Tubatwale ku lutabaalo nga n'ebirooto byabwe bitegeerekeka naffe tubitegedde bulungi abagala okubakulembera. That must be the drive. We cannot change Uganda by slogans. We have sloganeered enough. We must be intentional and purposeful in our next phase, beyond slogans. Okuyimba obuyimbi ennyimba n'ebigenderako n'okutontoma tekikyamala, tubikoze ebbanga ddene. Buli kiseera kyakalu tukyusa ennyimba ezo tutwala mu lutabaalo ne tuvaayo ng'obusima ebbumba. Inconsequential battles must stop, and we must drive an agenda of consequence and purposefully done so. Now there is this as I conclude. I stood here and informed the nation that we will speak to everyone for the purpose of bringing sense and sensibility to our politics. And then so, that must happen. Two things. We must understand the politics of compromise and then being compromised. Are they the same? We can do politics of compromise without being compromised. The two are different. Waliwo abalowooza teboba n'ekirowoozo kitali kikye bakusasudde kubanga bo bamanyira nti buli kyokola okola ki kusasulwa. But some of us have been at this for generations, and we know that we can speak to our enemies, but we should not allow our enemies to compromise our deep feelings and intentions and purpose. I want you to go to the countryside. Mugende mogenda abenaaleemu abali eyo naye nga bali anfuufu. Tembatya. Speak to them. Show them the bigger goal. Show them the bigger duty of nation building. Show them the bigger call of recalling the aspirations of our people at independence. Obategeeze nti eggaali eyingira kibira no one will survive. Temubatya. Talk to them. Netembakkiriza kubatwala mu bukoona kubanga olwegi gye bali nabo waaka. And this is very interesting. Where I live and stay, abenaale mwe basinga okubeera obubi balinga nabo abaloge. So will you go and speak to these people and tell them they are part of Uganda? You can tell them that we know some of them are criminals. Don't tell them that we are not out for revenge, but we are for justice. Abakoze ebikolobera eri bannayuganda bajja okubanga kyekibatiisa. Situwagala kubeesasuza ne tunoonya bwenkanya. Inevitably, obaga obadde okuba abantu emigga ekawempe. We shall come for you to go to court and explain your idiosyncrasy. Otegeera kyonywa ky'omutwe olinamu byonna kitegeera. Tuyinza okubanga tukwogerako bubi naye nga omutwe mukalu. Naye tukikimanyi naffe. We need everybody to be part of this agenda. As DA, we speak to whoever matters. And I want to ask of you, go and speak to everyone. In the coming weeks, we are coming to your areas. We shall come to Teso next month. We'll go to Bunyoro. We'll go to Karamoja. We shall be in West Nile for the sake of this, our motherland. May I conclude, comrades, by thanking you for this immense sacrifice of time and resources. We did not pay anyone to be here. You have sacrificed your day and your small resources to be here. May this sacrifice not be in vain. May your effort be rewarded by even more effort. May you go back renewed in energy and conviction that we can rebuild Uganda anew. May you go back convinced that tomorrow can be better. May you go back with the belief that we have the capacity to change the tide on our enemy. May you go back with satisfaction that we can have a new day and a new way of going about the dreams of this nation called Uganda. I thank you for God and my country.
Campaign manager, oh, you mukubera na magazine, Cheyamava Muguru, Kubayama Yafuna magazine, the Chimusama Sayamua, the Yamutuma Yataka, the Matario Avivania, and then the Yafuna Gatunda, the Yaringa, you music, where Suko Kutege is about to take. Wala la la.
Yoyo Mpuuga de Mapuuga amuulidde ebigambo bye byonna byogedde zonna enteekateeka zaazitugambye affe ka tubalinde tunaabalaba amaaso weegali.